When you accidentally deleted iMessage thread, you may be confused and asked yourself, can you recover deleted iMessages? Today we've got another video of how to recover iMessages when deleted or disappeared, with or without backup. Let's get right into it. First of all, the easiest way to retrieve deleted iMessages on iPhone is the recently deleted folder in Messages app. If you're lucky and have deleted the iMessage conversation in the recent 30 days, then you can now open the Messages app, tap Edit in the upper left of the screen, followed by Show Recently Deleted. Or you may tap Filters and then choose Recently Deleted. Once you get into Recently Deleted folder, you should see all SMS or iMessage threads that you deleted list here. In order to restore your deleted iMessages, select the conversation you need, and tap Recover. When prompted, choose Recover Messages to initiate an instant iMessage recovery. OK, go back to the main inbox and you're able to see deleted iMessages there once recovered. What if you can't find deleted iMessages in Recently Deleted? Can you recover permanently deleted iMessages? The answer is yes. Deleted iMessages are not really gone, and to get them back on your iPhone, we're here to use AppGeeker iPhone data recovery software. We've put the download link in the description right down below. And you can also go to the official appgeeker.com to learn anything about the product first. The software is aimed at recovering iMessages or any other data on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, whether you have backup or not. It will access your device memory and check where the deleted iMessages are gone. If it finds that the deleted iMessage is still in the phone, you can recover it immediately. Now, guys, to recover deleted iMessages, open iPhone Data Recovery on your computer. On the main screen, you should see three modes on the sidebar: Recover from iOS device, Recover from iTunes backup file, as well as Recover from iCloud. For this case of recovering permanently deleted iMessages without using a backup, we're going to choose Recover from iOS device. Then connect your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. When connected, click Start Scan button. The tool is now scanning the internal memory of your phone for the iMessages you've deleted accidentally or lost suddenly. You just sit back and wait for the deep scan process to complete. Once done, the software gives you a scanning result window, grouped all data on the iPhone into different categories in the left column. At the point, we click on the Messages category to reveal all accessible SMS and iMessages in the device, including the existing ones and the deleted ones. The best thing is that the software allows users to read the texts in an iMessage conversation for a specified contact before the recovery. To do this, you just click on that message thread, and you could see the texts on the right pane. This means that you can choose to retrieve some of messages in an iMessage history, recover an entire iMessage conversation, or get back multiple iMessages at once. Once the iMessages you need back are selected, hit the Recover button at the lower right of the software window. This retrieves your deleted iMessages and saves them back to your computer. OK, the third method is to restore deleted iMessages from iCloud to iPhone. This is useful only if you've turned on Messages in iCloud. Go into Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Tap iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud section, tap Show All, and then choose Messages in iCloud. When you see the toggle for use on this iPhone, turn it off and choose Disable and Download Messages. Wait for a while, and then switch on the option. Go back to Messages app, and see, your lost iMessages are downloading from iCloud to your iPhone. Next, the fourth method is to recover iMessages from iCloud backup. Once you're sure that you've already backed up your iPhone using iCloud before deleting iMessages, go ahead to factory reset your iPhone and restore the iCloud backup to get your deleted iMessages back to the Messages app. Note that you can't preview the deleted iMessages in the iCloud backup until you perform a restore, and during the restoring process, you'll lose any other data that was added to your device since after the backup. In Settings app, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Continue to choose Erase All Content and Settings to restore your iPhone to factory settings. When the iPhone finishes resetting, you need to set it up from the scratch. Once you see the Transfer Apps and Data screen, Choose Recover from iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to access your iCloud backups. Pick an iCloud backup that includes iMessages that have been deleted or disappeared. And the restore begins. Here you go. Guys. iCloud Backup restores your iMessages and other data to your device. Likewise, if you've backed up your iMessages to iTunes prior to the deletion, then you can get your old iMessages back from iTunes Backup using your computer. Okay, open up the latest version of iTunes. Then, plug your phone into the computer. Once it's detected, click on the tiny device icon in the upper left corner of iTunes window. Then choose Summary. Prox to click Restore Backup. Choose a backup that contains the lost iMessages. And finally, hit Restore to restore your iPhone from iTunes Backup and retrieve the iMessages. With that done, you're able to view the deleted iMessages in the Messages app on your iPhone. Note that restoring from an iTunes backup will wipe your iPhone and delete any new data that was not in the backup. If you don't want to factory reset your iPhone while recovering a deleted iMessage conversation using iTunes Backup, a great tip is to use AppGeeker iPhone Data Recovery Program, which helps you find and restore iMessages from iTunes Backup without data loss. In iPhone Data Recovery Tool, choose Recover from iTunes Backup File Mode. Then pick a backup to scan. After the scan, you can check the deleted iMessages in iTunes Backup and find the ones you need to get back. Select the items you want and click the Recover button to save iMessages onto your computer. That's it all about how to recover deleted iMessages for iPhone or iPad. Hope your old iMessages are back without any hassle. Will be appreciated if you enjoyed the video and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. Of course, you can leave your questions in the comment section below.